Who better to know how the global outlook is in the hiring market than Manpower? I'm here with the CEO, Jeff George. So obviously, you're on the front line. So what are you seeing globally with the outlook for hiring?
Well, in many ways, it's not as bad as what we're hearing. But I can't say that this is a robust hiring time. Clearly, it's not. But across the world, we're hearing from our companies that are dealing with us that they still have demand. Our numbers are still improving. But clearly, the macro noise that's going on out there is starting to create some real hesitation in the labor market.
A lot of the CEOs I talk to, I ask them, are you hiring? And many of them say they are, but they're very specific jobs, and sometimes they're kind of hard to fill. Do you hear that a lot?
No doubt, you're onto something extremely important. One is they're very judicious in how they're hiring. They're going to get the demand before they hire. And then when they hire the person, it's going to be very specific. They're looking for somebody who can increase productivity and efficiency right away. So actually what we're in is a talent mismatch. So we have high unemployment, yet companies are telling us we can't find the right people.
What sector do you see the most demand in? Is it for specific tech people? Is it specific health? What's the group?
Yeah, it's interesting. What we find is that clearly there is some sectors like manufacturing continues to hire, but it's really more about the content of the job. So it's the kind of analysis work, whether it be at a bank or a manufacturer or at a service company. So while healthcare continues to hire because demographics will say that, we're seeing public sector go down, but really the most important part is that more higher level skilled jobs, the ones that can have more of an impact regardless of industry, those are the jobs that are being sought after.
What do you think is going to be the biggest change going forward?
I think that's one of the biggest challenges that we have is there's not an event. What we had before was maybe a tech bust or a housing bust. What we don't have now is the event. What we really need is demand. In order to get demand, we need small businesses, medium-sized businesses, and we need a consumer back in the game. So you've got this chicken and egg. When you have almost 10% unemployment or 9% unemployment, you have a reduction in disposable income. So what we need to do is to slowly claw our way back.
All right, and the outlook for our Manpower?
Outlook for us, we continue to do very well. What we're seeing is some true secular changes where companies are saying, I need more agility, I don't know how to hire. Globalization, emerging markets, we have the largest footprint, our solutions business. So clearly we're in a period right now where when you have lower GDP growth, you don't do as well. But we've been in business for over 60 years, we're going to be in business for 60 more. So this is the time when we really instill our brand more, and on the other side of this, we're going to be fantastic.